ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाख्या बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 736। स्वभाव दुख बहुलेषु इति उभयतः संबध्यते। वी सॉ स्थावर जंगम also will have स्वभाव दुख बहुलम, means sukham is only little bit here and there, majority is dukha only. Sukha will come and go, dukha is permanent. And naraka tiryak pretadi yoni also have स्वभाव दुख बाहुल्य। टीका तर्हि पुण्यफलमपि सर्वलोक प्रसिद्धत्वात् न अत्र वक्तव्यम् इति आशंक्य आह। पुण्यफलम is also सर्वलोक प्रसिद्ध, so then you don't have to say that सर्वलोक प्रसिद्धत्वात् न अत्र वक्तव्यम् इति आशंक्याः। यत्तु शास्त्रीयः पुण्यो वै पुण्येन कर्मणा भवति तत्रैव आदरः क्रियते इह श्रुत्या। पुण्यो वै पुण्येन कर्मणा भवति, हियर आदरः श्रुत्या क्रियते। आदरः क्रियते मीन्स श्रुति is honoring that aspect, that punya. So this is known, but it is still mentioning it. Papa papena. शास्त्रीय सुखानुभव इति शेषः। शास्त्रीय सुख अनुभव will be punya. Ashastriya will be apunya, which will lead to स्थावर जंगम योनि, नरक तिर्यक प्रेतादि योनि, which has स्वभाव दुख बाहुल्य। इह इति ब्राह्मणोक्ति। इह here means in this बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद, which is ब्राह्मण भाग of the वेद। शास्त्र और ब्राह्मणम मीन दिस आर्त भाग, नॉट आर्त भाग, भुज्युर ब्राह्मण। शास्त्रीयं कर्म सर्वमपि संसार फलम एव इति वक्तुम ब्राह्मणम इति उक्त्वा शंकोत्तरत्वेनापि तद अवतारयति। Whatever शास्त्रीय कर्म you do, its phalam is samsara only, संसार फलम एव। अशास्त्रीय कर्म बहु दुख संसार, शास्त्रीय कर्म सुख बट संसार। इति वक्तुम ब्राह्मणम इति उक्त्वा, दिस ब्राह्मणम ब्राह्मण तात्पर्यम इति उक्त्वा शंकोत्तरत्वेन तदवतारयति। पुण्यमेव च कर्म सर्व पुरुषार्थ साधनम इति सर्वे श्रुति स्मृति वादाः। मोक्षस्यापि पुरुषार्थत्वात् तत्साध्यता प्राप्ता। पुण्य कर्म is सर्व पुरुषार्थ साधनम। So if somebody is sukhi, punya karma is there. Somebody has artha, punya karma is there. Somebody gets some kama, some bhoga, punya karma is there. So sarva purushartha sadhanam is punya karma. Somebody has some prosperity or pragati, like he gets superior body, he gets superior bhoga. It is all karma. He said in Shruti Smriti, Sarve Shruti Smriti Vadaha Kathayanti Uktayaha. It is given. So this, there is a gradation. All of this is based on dharma. When someone has vairagya from all of this, then only there is Brahma Jignasa. Then there is real desire to know Brahma. Until then, you are doing this, you are doing this, you are studying, Shravanam is happening, okay. Really, you don't want Brahma, you want something. So, a Bhashyakar will explain in Brahma Sutra. Moksha, so mokshasyapi purusharthatvat. If everything is purushartha, like dharma, artha, kama, it is karma sadhya. Moksha is also purushartha. It also will be karma sadhya. Tat sadhyata. Tat sadhyata means karma sadhyata. It is karma sadhya. Prapta. So anumanam is done, let us say. Moksha, karma sadhya, purusharthatvat, dharmartha kamavat, punya karma sadhya. टीका मोक्षस्य पुण्य साध्यत्वम विअंतरेण साधयति. पुण्य साध्यत्वम यावत् यावत् पुण्योत्कर्ष तावत् तावत् फलोत्कर्ष प्राप्ति ही. पुण्य उत्कर्ष greater 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 punya, phala utkarsha greater greater. So this is already explained. See, in Brahadaranyaka, certain things which are discussed, they will come here and there. Sometimes there is seeming repetition. For example, this topic we have already seen in the beginning, that when Ashwamedha is highest karma upasana, and that phalam is Brahma, Hiranyagarbha Prapti. And that is also within samsara. So now here it is given slightly differently, but same idea. So what is he trying to say? You can get moksha by karma. Okay. तस्माद् उत्तमेन पुण्योत्कर्षेण मोक्षो भविष्यति इति आशंका स्यात्. So उत्तम punya will get उत्तर phala utkarsha, greater and greater phala. Even greater punya, then you can get moksha. Ashanka syat, sa nivartayitavya. That ashanka you have to remove. Means this is not going to happen. Tika. कथम तस्या निवर्तनम इति आशंक्याः ज्ञान सहितस्य च प्रकृष्टस्य कर्मण एतावति गतिः. Now somebody says, no, I will remove that. Who is this Ekadeshi? He said, no, karma will not give you moksha. What will give you moksha? Upasana sahita karma will give you moksha. This in-between fellow is putting his thing. Jnana sahitasya cha prakrishtasya karmana. Jnana means upasana. Etavati gatihi. Moksha gatihi, according to him. Even though it is samsara gati only, Hiranyagarbha Prapti, as it is given, but that person thinks it is moksha you can get. How he is going to justify? Samuchitam api karma samsara phalam eva iti atra hetumaha. Samuchita karma is also samsara phalam. Vyakrita nama rupa aspadatvat karmanas tat phalasya cha. Vyakrita nama rupa aspada ashraya is karma and karma phala. Karma also requires some Vyakrita nama rupa, कर्म फल also requires Vyakrita Nama Rupa. मोक्षे अपि स्वर्गादाविव पुरुषार्थत्व अविशेषात् कर्मणो व्यापारः स्यात् इति आशंक्या. Like in Swarga, in moksha also, mokshe api swargadav iva purusharthatva avisheshat, it is also purushartha. So why can't karma give moksha? Karma upasana samuchita karma, let us say. न तो अकार्ये नित्ये अव्याकृत धर्मिणी अनाम रूपात्मके क्रियाकारक फल स्वभाव वर्जिते कर्मणो व्यापारो अस्ति. अकार्य ब्रह्म इज अकार्य, अव्याकृत अव्याकृत धर्मी इज ब्रह्म, अव्याकृत धर्मिणी अनाम रूपात्मक डिवाइड ऑफ ऑल नाम रूप कार्यकारक फल स्वभाव वर्जिते. So this is all who I am. Akarya, Nitya, Avyakrata Dharmi, Anama Rupatmaka, Kriya Karaka Phala, Swabhav Varjita. In that, Asmin, Brahmani, Karmano Vyaparo Nasti. Karma Vyapara is not there. Tika. Akaryatvam Utpatti Hinatvam. That which is not Karya. Nityatvam Nasha Shunyatvam. So no Utpatti, न नाश, न निरोधो, न जो उत्पत्ति. अव्याकृत धर्मित्वम, व्याकृत नाम रूप राहित्यम, देयर इज नो व्याकृत नाम रूप. अशब्दम अस्पर्शम अरूपम इत्यादि श्रुतिमाश्रित्य आह. अनाम इति अनाम रूपात्मक, निष्कलम निष्क्रियम शांतम क्रियादि श्रुतिमाश्रित्य क्रियाकारक फल स्वभाव वर्जित. So none of this is there. Karma vyapara, where karma vyapara is possible, chaturvidha kriya phala vilakshane mokshe karmano vyaparo na sambhavati iti bhava. Means chaturvidha kriya phala phale eva moksha, chaturvidha kriya phale eva karmana vyaparo sambhavati. Chaturvidha kriya phala vilakshane mokshe, only 4 results are there. Utpadyam, apyam, samskaryam, vikaryam. Those who are attending Naishkarmya Siddhi, this is elaborated. The whole discussion, entire first chapter of Naishkarmya Siddhi is this only. 11 number tippani, Utpattir, Apti, Vikruti, Sanskriti, iti chatasro vidhaha. So, moksha is not that. Nanu, see the next word. Nanu asthanoho, आज प्रजापते सर्वत्र कर्म व्यापारात् कथम मोक्षे प्रजापति भाव लक्षणे तद व्यापारो नास्ति. आस्थाणो हो आच प्रजापते सर्वत्र कर्म व्यापारात्, फ्रॉम स्थाणु onwards all the way up to Prajapati, everywhere there is karma vyapara. Means this vairagya is something vilakshana. So much vairagya that you are not interested in this chakra again. And you are ready to give any price for this moksha. Many people will say, I don't want to come back to samsara, this, that. You have to pay a price for it. And that is what, if we are not ready to give, we will not get. Everything comes with a price tag. So you have to pay that price. And price here is in the form of restraining mind, where mind wants this, that. I say, no. You want Nitya Sukha, then Anitya Sukha and all, you'll have to let go. So, Katham Mokshe Prajapati Bhava Lakshane Tad Vyaparo Nasti. Purva Pakshi thinks मोक्ष इज प्रजापति भाव लक्षण तत्राह यत्र च व्यापारः स संसार एव यत्र च कर्म व्यापारः कर्मणः व्यापारः wherever there is कर्म व्यापार it is samsara only इति एतस्य इति एव अस्य अर्थस्य प्रदर्शनाय ब्राह्मणम् आरभ्यते. So this brahmana is to show wherever there is karma vyapara it is samsara. टीका कर्म फलस्य सर्वस्य संसारत्वम एव इति कुत सिद्ध्यति. इसे we are going to show this in this brahmana that every karma phala is samsara. विद्या सहितम अपि कर्म संसार फलम विद्यैव मोक्षार्था इति स्वपक्ष शुद्ध्यर्थम विचारयन् पूर्व पक्षयति. विद्या सहितम अपि कर्म संसार फलम. इफ विद्या सहित कर्म is there it is samsara phalam only. Vidya alone is for moksha iti swapaksha siddhyarth shuddhyartham. Here vidya here means first here 7 number tippani pratyag yathatmya jnanam atra vidya. If you take that then vidya sahitam api karma samsara phalam. Because brahma vidya and karma samuchaya is not possible. Vidya sahitam should be upasana only. If some people say no, Brahma Vidya and Karma you combine, because this is not Mukhya Vedanta Paksha, some other Paksha, who might say no, we are going to combine Brahma Vidya and Karma. That is why that Tippani is Pratyag Yathatmya Jnanam. Vidya Sahitam api Karma Samsara Phalam. So Vedanti Advaitin is saying that kind of Vidya and Karma Phalam is Samsara Phalam. Vidya eva mokshartha iti swapaksha shuddhyartham. Only Vidya is for swapaksha is Advaita Paksha. Shuddhyartham vicharayan purva pakshayati. Yattu kaishchid uchyate Vidya sahitam tattva jnana sahitam. You see here Vidya is given as tattva jnanam. But in Hindi they have given upasana. Vidya sahitam karma निरभिसंधि मंत्र शर्करादि युक्त विशद अध्यादिवत कार्यांतरम आरभत इति. Now this is a wonderful proposal. Somebody says nirabhisandhi. Nirabhisandhi means nishkamam. If there is a nishkama purusha or nishkama karma, then you will get moksha along with Brahma Vidya. How mantra sharkaradi yukta vishadadhyadivat. Visha by itself, see in tika, yatha kevalam vishadadhyadi marana jvaradi karam api. Mantra sharkaradi yuktam जीवन पुष्ट्याद्यारभते. केवलम विषदध्यादि, only visha you take, marana, only dadi, jwara. This is actual. But if you mix dadi with sharkara and enjoy, then it is jivan pushtyadi. It is going to nourish your body well. Now sharkara, what it will do that? Some Mahatma in milk, 4 spoons of sharkara. Mantra sharkaradi yuktam jivan pushtyadi arabhate. Tatha, so he says, swataha bandha phalam api karma. Karma by itself will give you bandhana. फल अभिलाषम अंतरेण अनुष्ठितम विद्या समुचितम मोक्षाय क्षमम इत्यर्थः. But when you do nishkama karma and along with that there is vidya, so then vidya actually should be upasana only here. Mokshaya kshamam ityartha. Let us see what, yeah, so that there it is upasana only, according to, means nirguna brahma upasana. You heard Vedanta, then now you do prasankyana. That's what they say. Means it is nirguna brahma upasana according to them. मुक्ते हे साध्यत्व अंगीकारे समुचित कर्म साध्यत्वं स्यात् न तु तस्याः साध्यत्वं धी मात्र आयत्तत्वात् इति उत्तरम् आह. मुक्ति साध्य, मुक्ते हे साध्यत्वम अंगीकारे समुचित कर्म साध्यत्वम उपासना समुचित और विद्या समुचित कर्म साध्यत्वम स्यात्. मुक्ते हे न तु तस्याः साध्यत्वं धी मात्र आयत्तत्वात्. धी मात्र means ज्ञान मात्र. Only jnanam will not give you. Jnanam, with that you have to add some moksha, add some karma. Tanna anarabhyatvat mokshasya. Because moksha does not have any arambha, any beginning. Means it is not karya. Bandhanasha eva hi moksho na karyabhutah. Moksha is bandhana nasha. It is not, there is no moksha utpatti. Only removal of bandhanam. हेतुमेव साधयति बंधन. बंधन नाश. बंधन इज द हेतु, बंधन नाश इज मोक्ष. किम तद बंधनम तदाह बंधनम च अविद्या इति अवोचम. व्हाट इज द बॉन्डेज? अविद्या. अविद्या नाशो अपि कर्मारंभो अकर्मारभ्यो भविष्यति इति चेत नेत्याह. अविद्या नाश इज आल्सो कर्म आरभ्य. By karma also you can get avidya nasha. Avidyayasya na karmana nasha upapadyate. Avidya nasha does not happen through karma. Repeatedly this is said so that we don't have any attraction for karma as far as moksha is concerned. Moksho na karma sadhyo avidya astamayatvat rajju avidya astamayavat ityartha. Moksha is not karma sadhya. Why? Avidya astamayatvat, because it is of the nature of avidyaya asta. Avidya astamaya is moksha. Like Rajju avidya asta astamayatvam is not karma sadhya. तत्रैव हेत्वन्तरम् आह दृष्ट विषयत्वाच्च कर्म सामर्थ्यस्य. कर्म सामर्थ्य इज दृष्ट विषय, न कर्म साध्या मुक्तिरिति शेषः. वन नंबर टिप्पणी से कार्यम यद्वा तद विषया दृष्टा एव परिगणिता इति यावत्. कर्म will have only परिगणित विषय. is Pariganita Vastu as its Vishaya. Pariganita means something which is finite. उत्पत्ति आपति विकार संस्कार ही कर्म सामर्थ्य से विषय. हाँ, these are the विषय. न कर्म साध्या मुक्ति इति शेष. Therefore, मुक्ति is not कर्म साध्या. तदेव स्पष्टयति उत्पत्ति आपति विकार संस्कार ही कर्म सामर्थ्य से विषय. These are the four vishayas they are going to give you. They are the phalam of karma. Karma has samarthya only in this. Uktam eva karma samarthya vishayam anvay vyatirekaabhyam sadhayati. This karma samarthya vishaya, he says, utpadayitum prapayitum vikartum samskartum cha samarthyam कर्मण न अतो व्यतिरिक्त विषयो अस्ति कर्म सामर्थ्यस्य लोके अप्रसिद्धत्वात्. अन्वय व्यतिरेक ही shows कर्म means only these four. उत्पाद कर्मणः सामर्थ्यं किम उत्पादयितुं प्रापयितुं विकर्तुं संस्कर्तुं. Other than that, karma has no samarthya. This is loke prasiddha. लोके अप्रसिद्धत्वात् इति छेदः. अदर देन दिस अतः व्यतिरिक्त विषयस्य सामर्थ्यं लोके अप्रसिद्धम्. उत्पत्त्यादीनाम् अन्यतमत्वात् मोक्षस्यापि कर्म सामर्थ्य विषयता स्यात् इति चेत् उत्पत्त्यादीनाम् अन्यतमत्वात्. अन्यतम मीन्स वन ऑफ दीज फोर. अन्यतमत्वात् मोक्षस्यापि कर्म सामर्थ्य विषयता स्यात्. Moksha is also in one of them. Utpadyatya samskare vikare. It is said no. Nacha moksha yesham padarthanam anyatamaha. Moksha is not one of them. Why? Nityatvat, atmatvat, kutasthatvat, nitya shuddhatvat, nirgunatvat cha ityarthaha. Because Atma is nitya. So, no apyam. Atmatva or nitya, so no utpadyam. Atma, so no apyam. Kutastha, not samskarya. Nitya shuddha, nirguna. Nitya shuddha, so no samskarya. Nirguna, no vikara. Ityartha. Atma bhuto yathokto mokshastarhi kimiti sarvesham na prathata. If it is my own self, then why everybody doesn't get moksha? सर्वेषां किं न प्रथत इति आशंक्याः अविद्या मात्र व्यवहित इति अवोचाम. अविद्या इज द व्यवधानम. सर्वेषां न प्रथत मीन्स why it is not prasiddha for everyone, why it is not spashta. Because avidya is there. Uktam karma samarthyam. उत्तम कर्म सामर्थ्यम पूर्ववादी अंगीकरोति बाढ़म. कर्मवादी says okay, कर्म has this much सामर्थ्यम. बाढ़म अंगीकारम एवं he elaborates a little on that. भवतु केवलस्यैव कर्मण एवं स्वभावता. ओके, केवल कर्म है दिस संभावना. बट विद्या संयुक्तस्य तु निरभिसंदेहे भवति अन्यथा स्वभावः. इफ इज विद्या संयुतः, विद्या संयुक्तस्य निरभिसंदेहे. निरभिसंधि मीन्स निष्काम. Here also in Hindi, vidya is taken as upasana. टीका एवं स्वभावता उत्पादनादौ समर्थता. एवं स्वभावता उत्पादनादौ समर्थता. Because of this, उत्पाद्य आप्य that सामर्थ्य is there. का तर्हि विप्रतिपत्ति सत्राह विद्या संयुक्तस्य. If you add with vidya, karma along with vidya, then maybe it is possible. अन्यथा स्वभावश्च चतुर्विध क्रिया फल विलक्षणे अपि मोक्षे समर्थता इति यावत्. अन्यथा स्वभाव means karma by itself cannot give you moksha because it has only four phala samarthya. But when combined with vidya, it can give. Like Dadi, when combined with Sharkara, then it can give you good results. उत्पत्त्यादौ समर्थस्य कर्मणो विद्या संयुक्तस्य तद विलक्षणे अपि मोक्षे सामर्थ्यम अस्ति इति अत्र दृष्टान्तम आह. उत्पत्त्यादौ समर्थस्य कर्म इज समर्थ फॉर उत्पत्ति आदि. विद्या संयुक्तस्य तद विलक्षणे अपि मोक्षे विद्या संयुक्त कर्म तद विलक्षणे अपि मोक्षे सामर्थ्यम अस्ति इति अत्र दृष्टान्तमाह. दृष्टम हि अन्य शक्तिकत्वेन निर्ज्ञातानाम् अपि पदार्थानां विशद अध्यादीनां विद्या मंत्र शर्करादि संयुक्तानां अन्य विषय सामर्थ्यम. विष also when if you do some mantra, then it has a shakti to heal. Like these homeopathy medicines, they have poison, but the matra is very little and they do something and it can help you. It is healing. Like that some mantra is also there, then also visha can be healing. उक्त दृष्टांत वशात कर्मणोपि केवलस्य संसार फलस्य विद्या संयोगात मुक्ति फलत्वम अपि स्यात्. So because of these examples, karma by itself will give you kevala samsara phala. Vidya sanyogat mukti phalatvam. Ityaha. Tatha karmano api astu iti chet. Karma also can give na. Pramana abhavat. This is the samadhanam. Samadatte na. Tatra hi कर्मणः उक्त विषय व्यतिरेकेण विषयांतरे सामर्थ्य अस्तित्वे प्रमाणम न प्रत्यक्षम नानुमानम नोपमानम नार्थापत्तिर न शब्दो अस्ति. कर्मणः उक्त विषय व्यतिरेकेण विषयांतरे सामर्थ्य अस्तित्वे, that karma has सामर्थ्यम to give phalam other than those four vishayas utpadya apya samskarya vikarya, that they have samarthya in, karma has samarthya in that astitva pramanam na asti. Neither pratyaksha nor anumanam nor upamana arthapatti shabda etc. Tika. All of these you have heard enough number of times. There is no need of elaboration. अतीन्द्रियत्वात् कर्मणो मुक्ति साधनत्वे प्रत्यक्षादि असंभवे अपि अर्थापत्तिरस्ति. नाउ okay, pratyakshadi are not possible. So moksha is atindriya. Atindriyatvat karmano mukti sadhanatve pratyakshadi asambhave. Arthapatti is possible. Nanu phalantara abhave chodana anyathanupapattihi pramanam iti. Phalantara abhave. Today is the Arthapatti day. Morning also Kirnavali had Arthapatti. Phalantara abhave chodana anyathanupapattihi pramanam. So if there is no phalantara, chodana anyathanupapatti is pramanam. Tika, he explains this line. Nityeshu karmasu mokshatiriktasya phalasya shrutasya abhave sati. तद उपलभ्यमान चोदनायाः मोक्ष फलत्वं विना अनुपपत्तिः तेषां तत् साधनत्वे मानम् इत्यर्थः. नित्य कर्म मोक्षातिरिक्तस्य फलस्य श्रुतस्य अभावे सति they don't give moksha phalam mokshatiriktasya phalasya shrut in nitya karma. This also in nishkarma siddhi we have discussed. Nitya karma phalam is not mentioned in Veda, and for moksha no karma is mentioned. Nitya karma phala is not given, moksha phala karma is not given. So Purva Paksha adds these two. Nityeshu karmasu mokshatiriktasya phalasya shrutasya abhava सती तद उपलभ्यमान चोदनाया and कर्म नित्य कर्म विधानम विधेर मोक्ष फलत्वम विना अनुपपत्ति ही. So then moksha phala will be the phalam of nitya karma. Otherwise nitya karma vidhan will have anupapatti. So second number tippani in the Moolam, in Bhashya what is given, second number, Chodana Anyatha Anupapatti, is Nitya Karma. For Nitya Karma, Vidhanam is there. Nitya Karma, what would be the phalam? Is a moksham. Moksha phalam. So, that is the pramanam. Tesham tat sadhanatve manam ityartha. ननु विश्वजिता यजेत इति अत्र याग कर्तव्यता रूपो नियोगो अवगम्यते तस्य नियोज्य सापेक्षत्वात् स स्वर्गः स्यात् सर्वान् प्रति अविशिष्टत्वात् इति न्यायेन. दिस इज विश्वजित न्याय. व्हाट इज विश्वजिता न्याय? व्हाट इज द न्याय? So you have to keep track of the students, those who are studying some of these nyayas, you know. Vishwajita Nyaya.
Vishwajita Nyaya does Vishwajita Yaga does not give the direct meaning of what is to be attained. So we have to relate it to Swarga Kama because when the phala is not directly given, then we have to assume that it is Swarga.
That is Vishwajita Nyaya. That when no phalam is given, so you should understand Swarga is phalam. That is what is given in the quotation there. Sa Swarga Syat Swarvan Prati Avishishtatvat. Saha means the phalam of that Vishwajita Nyaya will be Swarga. Why? Everybody wants Swarga. Sarvan Prati Avishishtatvat. Similarly, there is Ratri Satra Nyaya. Ghatta Kutti Prabhata Nyaya Vija in Vedanta Paribhasha. Then in Naishkarmya Siddhi you saw Shwashru Bahirgamana Nyaya. Right? So at least some of these you keep, because when that Shabda comes, if you can remember everything, once you know 2-3 times, if you hear, you will know it. But until then, you keep it available for yourself. इति न्यायेन स्वर्गकामो नियोज्यो अंगीकृतः तथा नित्येषु अपि कर्मसु भविष्यति. So not given. So you say it is Swarga. Why? Vishwajita Nyayana. So like that, Nitya Karma is given, Phalam is not given. So, इति न्यायेन स्वर्ग कामो नियोज्यो अंगीकृतः तथा नित्येषु अपि कर्मसु भविष्यति स्वर्गो नियोज्यम् नियोज्य विशेषणम् अतः. सिद्धांति विल से नहि नित्यानां कर्मणां विश्वजित न्यायेन फलं कल्प्यते नापि श्रुतं फलम् अस्ति चोद्यन्ते चतानि पारिशेष्यान् मोक्षस्तेषां फलम् इति गम्यते. This is the Purva saying. This is all Purva. He says Nitya karma will give moksha. So Siddhanti says if no phalam is given, it will give you Swarga like Vishwajita Nyaya. He says no. Vishwajita Nyaya is not applicable here. Nityanam karmanam vishwajin nyayena phalam na kalpyate. And therefore, Parisheshat moksha phalam is the nitya karma phalam. Tika we will see in the next session. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashyakritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.